Ever walked into a store, seen a long line, and wondered, what's taking so long? Or maybe you're a business owner, and you're constantly stressed about managing transactions, inventory, and keeping track of your sales. Well, a big part of the solution or the problem often lies with the point-of-sale system, the POS. And today, we're diving deep into one such system, Revel POS. Is it the magic bullet for your business? Or is it just another name in a crowded market? That's what we're here to find out. Choosing the right POS system is crucial. It's not just about ringing up sales. It's the backbone of your business operations. It impacts everything from customer experience to inventory management, employee efficiency, and even your bottom line. A good POS system can streamline your operations, giving you valuable insights and freeing you up to focus on what matters most, growing your business. A bad one? Well, that can lead to frustration, lost revenue, and a whole lot of headaches. So, let's talk about Revel. It's a cloud-based POS system that's been making waves in the industry, particularly popular with restaurants, retail stores, and quick-service businesses. They market themselves as a comprehensive solution, offering a wide range of features, from order management and inventory control to customer relationship management, CRM, and reporting. But does it live up to the hype? One of the first things to consider with any POS system is ease of use. Nobody wants a complicated system that requires a PhD to operate. Revel, being cloud-based, generally offers a user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The setup process is usually straightforward, and the system itself is relatively easy to navigate. However, like any software, there's a learning curve. While most users find it manageable, some may require a bit of time to get fully comfortable with all the features. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the features. Revel boasts a pretty extensive list. For restaurants, they offer features like table management, online ordering integration, and even kitchen display systems, KDS, to streamline food preparation. For retailers, inventory management is a big selling point, allowing businesses to track stock levels, manage purchase orders, and even set up automated reordering. They also offer robust reporting tools, giving you valuable insights into sales trends, customer behavior, and overall business performance. And let's not forget about customer relationship management, CRM. Revel allows you to collect customer data, track purchase history, and even create loyalty programs to keep customers coming back for more. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the thing. While Revel offers a lot of features, not all businesses need all of them. And that's where things can get a bit tricky. Revel's pricing structure is often based on a monthly subscription, and it can be a bit more expensive than some other POS systems, especially if you need all the bells and whistles. So, if you're a small business with basic needs, you might end up paying for features you don't actually use. It's crucial to carefully assess your business requirements and choose a plan that fits your specific needs and budget. Another important aspect to consider is integration. Does Revel play nicely with other software you're already using? For example, if you use a specific accounting software or e-commerce platform, you'll want to make sure it integrates seamlessly with your POS system. Revel does offer integrations with various third-party apps, but it's essential to check if your specific software is compatible. Otherwise, you might end up with data silos and a lot of manual data entry, which defeats the purpose of having a streamlined system. Customer support is another critical factor. When you're dealing with technology, things can go wrong. And when they do, you need reliable support to get you back up and running quickly. Revel generally offers customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and online chat. However, the quality of support can vary. Some users have reported positive experiences, while others have expressed frustration with long wait times or unhelpful responses. It's worth doing some research and reading reviews from other users to get a better sense of their customer support experience. Security is paramount, especially when you're dealing with sensitive customer data and financial transactions. Revel, being a cloud-based system, generally offers secure data storage and encryption. However, it's always a good idea to ask about their specific security protocols and ensure they comply with industry standards. Data breaches can be devastating for any business, so security should be a top priority when choosing a POS system. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons in a nutshell. On the one hand, Revel offers a comprehensive suite of features, a user-friendly interface, and the convenience of a cloud-based system. It's particularly well-suited for businesses in the restaurant and retail industries. On the other hand, it can be more expensive than some other options, and the customer support experience can be inconsistent. It's also important to carefully consider your specific needs and ensure that Revel integrates with your existing software. So, is Revel POS good? The answer, as with most things, is it depends. It's a powerful system with a lot to offer, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're a larger business with complex needs and you're willing to invest in a comprehensive system, Revel might be a good fit. However, if you're a small business with basic requirements, you might want to explore other, more affordable options. It's crucial to do your research, compare different POS systems, and even try out demos before making a decision. Don't just take our word for it. Explore the platform yourself. Ultimately, the best POS system is the one that best meets your specific business needs and budget. Consider your industry, your size, your current processes, and your future growth plans. Don't rush the decision. Take your time, weigh the pros and cons, and choose a system that will help you run your business more efficiently and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.